Welcome back. Now come to the point importance of pH in everyday life. See, there are some of the points. pH in our digestive system, pH change as the cause of tooth decay, plants and animals are sensitive to pH change, even the self-defense by animals and plants through chemical welfare. So, if you take the first point, pH in our digestive system. As I told you that hydrochloric acid are present in our stomach. What is the pH I told you about that HCl? It is 1.4. Yes. What is the pH of hydrochloric acid? 1.4. That is means that hydrochloric acid is not affecting to our body. Not affecting to our body. It's helping the inactive enzymes which are coming in our body through the food which we are taking as a food. Through it, the enzymes which are going into our stomach, these hydrochloric acid is killing all those enzymes and they are protecting us. Is it clear? It is not harmful to us. But what happens sometimes due to overeating or due to some different consequences or different reasons, if the pH value is disturbed, if the pH is increased, what does it happen? We are feeling headache is there, stomach panic is there, irritation is there. Yes or no? Means we are suffering from the acidity in short. So what we are doing? We are taking the antacid. Have you remembered that milk of magnesia we studied? That milk of magnesia is nothing but the antacid. Or if we are drinking the ENO what is it? It is only the soda. Is it clear that sodium hydrogen carbonate we are drinking and all? So all these things what they are doing, when we are taking the base, that base is neutralizing the acids and it's making its effect nil. Is it clear? It's neutralizing the acids and we are feeling relaxed. So do you understand that about the pH? What does it happen due to some different reasons? If the pH is increased of our body, so what does it happen? It is neutralized by taking the base only. Now come to the second point, why pH change as the cause of tooth decay. Now what do you mean by tooth decay? In your third or fourth standard, I think you had chapter about the teeth. Different parts of the teeth you studied about the incisor, canines, molar, premolars, enamels and all. Every part functions, you know it properly. So the tooth decay takes place due to the not cleaning the mouth. When you are eating something, if you are gargling properly, so what is happening? The particles which are stuck into your teeth, it comes out. But if you are overeating the sweets, Cadbury's, ice cream and all, and after eating or while eating also, what does it happen? The enzyme starts to break down that sugar. After breaking down the sugar, what does it happening? It starts attacking on the enamel of the teeth. Clear? Enamel of the teeth is attacking, and what does it happening? If the pH of the mouth goes below 5.5, if the pH of the mouth goes below 5.5, tooth decaying start. जब हमारे माउथ की pH 5.5 से नीचे जाने लगती है तब हमारी tooth decay start हो जाती है. It means that the enzymes are able to attack on your enamel. हमारे enamel पे, which is the hardest bone of our body, on that part that enzymes are become very active to attack it and they are starting to tooth decaying. Is it clear? So to avoid this tooth decaying, what you have to do? You have to gargle it properly, brush it properly before going to bed. The toothpaste which we are using, it's a basic in nature. It's a basic. The content which is present in the toothpaste, it is basic. The pH value of toothpaste is 8.0 and 8.0 it means above the 7 it is. So that 8.0 it means it is basic in nature, though it is weak paste but it is basic in nature. So when we are brushing our teeth, that acidity is neutralized by that toothpaste and it helps us to protecting the tooth decay. So be aware of this. This is not only for the study purpose or writing purpose. Be aware of this. Just protect your teeth from tooth decaying. If the acidity or pH scale is increased 5.5, if goes below it, so it will be harmful for you. Is it okay? Now come to the next point, that is plants and animals are sensitive to pH changes. Now there are some of the plants are there. If you take the example of our farming field, soil is there. Okay. So what is about the soil? People are just checking. I don't know about that clearly, but the farmer, those who are belonging from the farming family, they understood all these things clearly. The soil, the growth of the crop is depend on the soil texture. Is it clear? People are checking whether the soil is proper or no. Okay. We are adding some manures, are adding some chemicals, are adding for the proper growth of the crops. If the pH of the soil is between 7.0 up to 7.4, something between in this range, so the crops is become very healthy. And if it goes below it, it means that soil is become, if the pH scale of the soil below 7, the crop does not grow properly, the growth of the crop is very bad. So if the soil is very acidic in nature, you have to use that quicklime, stalkline, calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate to protect that soil from the acidic. Is it clear? अगर हमारी soil acidic हो जाती है नेचर में, तो हमें वहाँ पे quicklime यूज़ कर सकते हैं, chalk powder that is calcium carbonate यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उसे उस पर डाल सकते हैं, sprinkle it and mix it with that soil, which helps that soil to overcome through that acidic behavior. It means we are neutralizing that soil. If the soil is alkaline in nature, you have to use that manure composite to make that soil basic in nature. See, if the soil is more acidic or more basic in nature, it will not be good for the crops. It should be in a neutral range which gives us a very healthy crop. Is it clear? So, if the soil is more basic, add their compost manures are there, which helps to neutralize that base and gives us a healthy crop. If you think about the animals, see our body. If our body is having the pH value between 7 to 7.8, it means it goes into the neutral range. Is it clear? It goes into the neutral, then it will work very properly. But if the pH value is disturbed of our body, what does it happen? We will not work properly. Some people are having headache, some people are having regular acidity problem. Why does it so? Because the pH scale is disturbed. Okay? Do you heard about the acid rain? When the rainwater acidity is 5.6, it means that it is acidic in nature. So if the rainwater having the acidic pH, if the rainwater pH is 5.6, it means that rain is called as an acid rain. And this acid rain making the water of lake, ponds or rivers inacidic. जब बारिश होती है वो पानी लेक और रिवर्स में जाता है, तो क्या होता है, वो एसिड रेन का पानी जब उसमें जाता है तो वो उसमें मिक्स होता है. सो इट डिस्टर्ब्स द पीएच वैल्यू ऑफ दैट लेक्स एंड रिवर्स. And in that lakes and rivers, who is living? Fishes are living, other aquatic animals are living. And if the pH value of that rivers and lakes are disturbed, so what does it happen? The animals are surviving very difficultly. It's very difficult for them to survive under the water, and after some time what does it happen? It become death. They killed completely. So to neutralize that acidity of that water, people are adding that calcium carbonate there. Calcium carbonate की powder उस पानी में मिलाई जाती है, जिसकी वजह से that water become neutralized. Now come to the next point and last point of this basis, that is self-defense by animals and plants through chemical welfare. Now what does it mean? किसी को मधुमक्खी कभी काटी है? किसी को भी काटी होगी ना, बहुत अच्छे से काटी होगी. That honeybee, when they are sting, they are producing the acid liquid into your skin, and it starts much more irritations. So what you will do at that time? Use the baking powder. Baking powder is the base. Just add some water in that baking powder. Make the paste of it and apply on that irritation part. You will feel relief. It means that base again react with the acid and they neutralize its both of their effects. Is it clear? If you take the ant sting, and also if ant stings to you, it releases the methanoic acid into your mouth, into your body. So what does it happen? It's also start irritating. Is it clear? See, honeybee is there. Hmm? This wasp thing is there. When this wasp is stinging, what does it happening? It's producing the alkaline liquid into your body. If alkaline liquid is gone into your body, you have to use vinegar. Apply the vinegar, which is acidic in nature, and it help you to neutralize its effect. It will also irritating when it is stinging. About the ant also, ant is also releasing the methanoic acid. When it stings to you, you will feel irritation. That time also you use the baking soda, apply on the irritation part, you will feel relief. If you think this is about the animals, but if you study about the plant, there is one plant, nettle plant. Okay, nettle plant is there, somewhat like a cactus. It is herbaceous plant. It is only in jungle you can see. So that herbaceous plant, nettle plant, is having the structure like cactus. Cactus having a bigger leaf, but वो ऐसे सीधा सीधा रहता है, पर इसको काटे रहते हैं. So if accidentally if you touch that, and if it touch to your body, what does it happen? Well, it starts irritating much more. It start irritating. That part also it is producing the methanoic acid, and that acid is affecting to your body. There also you use the baking soda at present, instant relief. In the jungle also, nature also provided one basic plant, that is dog plant near the nettle plant. अगर nettle plant से किसी को कुछ हो जाता है तो पहले के लोग क्या करते थे, उस डॉग प्लांट का पार्ट लेकर, उसकी लीफ लेकर उसे उस पार्ट पर रब करते थे, and that leaf is containing some of the basic chemicals which helps to neutralize the acid base effects. Is it clear? So from this, what did you study? You studied that what are the importance of pH in everyday life. Here, if the pH of the substance are increasing, we are neutralizing by using bases somewhere and by using somewhere acids. Along with it, we completely finished our base topic. Next topic, we will meet you and we will discuss you with the new topic, that is salt. Till then, bye.